notes, so I wanted to finish them up here on this video. We are using a new formula, a new proportion, where we talk about the arc length is in proportion to the circumference as the arc measure, remember this is in degrees, is to 360 degrees. Okay, so we finished this one in class, and letter B, I was in a rush, and we're supposed to find the circumference for letter B. So this 4.9 is the arc length. 40 degrees is the arc measure. So if I complete the proportion, the arc length, 4.19 over the circumference, which we're trying to find, so I don't actually have to put 2 pi r, I can just put c, because that's what the circumference is 40 over 360. And from here I can cross multiply. I'm going to do an alternative way to do this on the other page. So I'm going to do 360 times 4.19, and that has to equal 40 times c. So I'm going to multiply 360 times 4.19, or 360 times 4.19, and that's going to give me 1,508 and 4/10. Then my next step is to divide that answer by 40, and that will give me an approximation for the circumference. I don't actually have to find the radius. That's what I was trying to do in class, and they're just asking us for the circumference. So the circumference is approximately 37.71 inches. Okay, so that's for letter B. Now I'm going to erase all this because you can pause and go back. Now this is saying they want the measure of RS. So what they want is they want the degree. They want this part right here. So when I look at the information, arc length of 44 is to the circumference, which is 2 times pi times 15.28, because they're telling me the distance from R to T, the radius is 15.28, equals what I don't know, so I'm going to call that X, all over 360. Now I'm going to cross multiply again. I'm going to do 360 times 44, and that's going to equal 2 times pi times 15.28 times X. So 360 times 44 is 15,840. 2 times 3.14 times 15.28 is 95.9584. So 95 and 9,584 thousandths. And then I'm going to divide both sides by this. So give me a second. I'm going to divide it on my calculator. No, I won't. 15840 divided by 95.9584. So we get approximately, the angle measurement is approximately 165.07 degrees. Now, when we talk degrees, we usually just go to the nearest whole degree. So 165 degrees is